Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let me grab the table topic for today. Okay, so the table topic for today is what human quality do we need more of and why? What human quality do we need more of and why? What human quality? In my opinion, the single most quality that human should have more, that we need more people should have it, that is empathy. Why? I think the ability to feel somebody else's pain is very important. Often in life, when we get bogged down and when we feel failures, we start complaining about things, right? We believe that this should not have happened to us. But just think for a moment that there are people who are not fortunate as as you. So whenever something also bad happens in my life, I also think about that. There are people who are not fortunate as I am. So I should not complain. And what happens is when people also start comparing themselves with others, we need to understand that everybody's journey is different, right? You are on your own. You do not need to compare with other people. And be little, you don't know what happens, what is going on inside that smile, right? Inside a person. You don't know. So be respectful towards that. Whenever you make comment about somebody else, just think about it, right? Be more empathetic. So also uh, regarding that, when you become in a position to give something to other needy people, please do. It sounds simple, but it's very difficult to do, right? We don't appreciate often people who go out there and do things. We just need to appreciate that is very hard things to do. So coming back to the topic, what things I, in my opinion, that people need more, that is empathy. Empathy, the ability to feel somebody else's pain is very important. That's what makes us human, right? So it's very important, and in my and I believe that whenever you are in capacity of helping others, please do. Thank you. Over to you.